Good afternoon all, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Today I will talk about everyone's favorite flower, which is the rose plant. In every gardener's garden, they have some varieties of roses. We used to have different varieties and colors, but the roses we have right now are desi. As we all know, Delhi has extreme climate. In extreme summers, we cannot save most of the rose plants. So we had made a decision last year that we will only have desi roses in our garden. The desi varieties are very hardy and can adjust to Delhi weather easily. Before winter, we uploaded a video about the care of the rose plant. The plant did not grow properly, but each small plant had a lot of buds. And to get flowers, you must do some special care. So my mom will today share the fertilizer she uses during the blooming season, so that the flowers are big in size and the color is also very bright. So first is the most important, sunlight. Keep your rose plant under 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. And like we always say, morning sun is the best. Watering. Water your rose plants regularly, but do not water too much. Since it is winter season, the plant's water needs become very low. So only water when the topsoil is dry. Next is manure. Last month, my mom gave some kitchen waste compost. So my mom will not use any kind of solid fertilizer. But for blooming, potassium-rich fertilizers are really important. So simply banana peel fertilizer is best for it. Cut the banana peels in small pieces. Soak them in water for 6 to 7 days. Then stain it and give it to your plants. And it will be better if you dilute it with water or rice water. Next is proper pruning. Cut dry leaves and mature flowers. This will help in lateral branching and more blooming. These desi varieties have a very sweet fragrance. This plant is very low maintenance, so you can grow it easily at home. Hope this video helped you. Maybe if you follow these tips, your plant will become like ours. That's all for today. Bye bye.